Hey, what's up guys, it's Arvind here, and today in this video I will be talking about the top 10 secret settings on your Android device. So your device can do a lot of things, but you might not be aware of all the secret settings that are there on your phone. So in this video I will show you how to enable those settings. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this you need to go to the developer options from the settings. Now if you don't find developer option, then don't worry, just go to about phone, go to all the way down to build number and tap it 7 times. Then it will show you that you are a developer now. Go back, go to developer options and turn them on. You might see a warning or any pop-up, click on OK and that's it. Now the first setting I'm talking about allows you to change the animation speed of your phone. Now animation speed means the animations that are shown whenever you open the app or close the app, etc. There are 3 options in the developer options named window animation scale, transition animation scale and animator duration scales. Now by default the values of all these scales will be 1x. Now the more the value, the more time the animations will take. So I will suggest you to turn off the animations for a faster speed or even reduce the value to 0.5. The next setting I'm talking about is called Force RTL layout direction. Now if you are a guy who uses the phone with the left hand, then this might be a handy option for you because this will move all the settings to the left side. For the left-handed guys, this is really great. Next thing that you can do from your phone is that you can change the display size. So if you want to have a tablet like experience on your phone, there is an option called smallest width, and by default there will be some value, but if you increase the value you will see that the display size will increase and the text will become very small and you will get the tablet like experience. Next thing that you can do with your phone is that you can stop the running applications and services directly from the developer options, so you don't have to download any unnecessary task killer applications that I will never suggest you to download. So just go to running services option in the developer options, and from here you can view and control all the running services that are running in the background and you can stop them. I will never suggest to stop the system apps. If you have any installed application that you have installed yourself, then stop that only. Next thing that you can do with your phone is that you can fake your location. So most of you guys know about this thing because if you have played Pokemon Go, then you might have tried faking your location to catch more Pokemons. So for this you need to go to developer options, go to select mock location app, and then you need to select the application through which you want to fake your location. There are a lot of applications that can do this thing like fake GPS or fly GPS, etc. Next setting is a simple one that lets you show the visual feedbacks for the taps. So wherever you will tap, it will show a small white circle, which I think is very cool. Next thing that you can do with your phone is that you can use the GPU in place of the CPU. So if your phone has a fast and powerful GPU, then you can use that thing instead of the CPU. So it will surely increase the speed of your phone. So you need to go to force GPU rendering option and turn it on, and that's it. There is an option called stay awake. So what this does is that it will let your phone never sleep and your phone will turn on all the time when it is on charging, and I will never suggest this to use because this will drain a lot of battery, but you can try this. Now if you want to install a custom ROM on your phone, then chances are that you might be looking to unlock the bootloader of your smartphone. So in developer option there is an option called OEM unlocking, which should be enabled in order to unlock the bootloader. And last but not the least is the setting through which you can turn the colors of your phone to black and white. So if you have an AMOLED display, then chances are that your battery is draining faster and you might be using any black wallpaper or dark wallpaper. But what if you can change the colors to black and white? Well, you can do that from developer options. You need to go to the setting that says simulate color space, tap on it, there you will see 4 or 5 options. You need to select the option that says monochromacy, and that's it. Then you will see that all the colors have been changed to black and white, and this will surely save a lot of battery because there will not be any type of drain of battery due to pixels. So that's it for this video guys. That's all about the top 10 secret settings on your phone. I hope you will like this video. If you like, then do hit that red subscribe button and also like this video, and I will catch you in the next one.